is Tuesday, January 13th, 8:57 in the morning, and guess where we at, babes? We at the airport, where we always are. This is Jada in the back. We at the airport, and we're gonna start spring tour for Italy too. Feel like a brand new person. Come on now. It's my second spring tour with Italy too. It's actually really exciting. We're heading to Denver, Colorado this morning. Yeah, I'm actually so excited. Like, I just came with a smile. Just like, wow, I'm at the airport. I was just at the airport. I'm always at the airport. When am I not at the airport? Let's be for real. First show is tomorrow, and it's a 2-show day. Starting off with a banger. We're starting off with a mini in the morning, and then an evening performance. And then I think we travel the next day, and then we have another show. And then this weekend, I have to come back to New York for a day. So, you know, we off with a banger. I mean, it's my life, you know? Only God can do. Only God can do. I always get the zoomies first thing in the morning. So I really am like just a lot of energy. But in a couple minutes, I probably am gonna like crash and sleep. But right now I have the zoomies, so we're just taking it all in, and we super excited. It's gonna be super great. Skin on glow. It's good. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good tour, y'all. I'm gonna see what Denver has. Oh, my shit just fell on the floor. Okay. But wow, I think we have zoomies in the morning. I like the focus.
The showers have like nice like.
Now be doing all that. Now I look crazy, and now I look bad. But yeah. So yeah. But I think our flight's like 4 hours, but then we have a 2-hour bus ride. And then we also have to stop at Walmart because we always stop at Walmart on our first stop. So we can like get our snacks and get what we need for tours. So I need to get a pillow. I have a checklist in my head. I meant to write it down. I haven't written it down yet. Thanks. I need to get a razor. I need to get Tide Pods so I can do laundry. I need to get deodorant. I have deodorant. I just need more. Not too much. I need a leave-in conditioner, and I need a styling product. Probably Miss Jessie's, because Miss Jessie's be doing it right. My hair is currently in twists right now, but you know, I woke up at like 5:50, so I was not doing my hair. Also, I'm just gonna be on a plane and like traveling, so it's like, why would I like take out my twists when I'm not doing much? Okay, so we're supposed to be making a TikTok, so I'm gonna go make this TikTok, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, bye y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm actually currently in Los Angeles, LA. And it's my first time in Cali, and I'm actually super excited to be in Los Angeles. It's actually our last day here. Well, our hotel's in Calabasas. Our performance is in Mount. Today's our last day here, and tomorrow we drive 8 hours to go to Arizona. So this last day, I'm just out in the city to see it, you know, do the right thing, man.
I really don't think these bitches get it right now. I run LA.
Not really my big one. We're just in the city, y'all. But I'm here with it. And we just ate at this place called, I don't know. It was like Mexican food, and as you can tell, it was actually, I mean, this is the plate. You know, a little stuff left, but those are just the fronts. I don't really watch the front stuff, but yeah, it was actually really good. And we're actually gonna take a waymo. Huh? I know, y'all. I know. I don't know how Eric convinced me to take a waymo. I'm getting in a waymo. Now, for those who don't know what a waymo is basically a car that is like self-driven, and it's a Uber that is self-driven, so there's no person in the front seat. But it's kind of like 7 minutes away. Someone needs the bathroom, but crazy. If I don't live to see another day, this is proof that I have been killed by my mom. So, let's go see. This is the waymo. This is scary. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. There's no person in there, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like, look, there is no person in here. See, it's already malfunctioning.
Bro, how do I open?
Okay.
Hey, let's go.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Hi.
What up, girl?
See, like, okay. Start ride.
Hello,
I'm scared.
waymo.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is scary. Okay, I'm just putting this seatbelt. So I can play about my life.
There's literally no one
Like-
driving right now.
If you're traveling with little ones,
Oh my gosh.
Connie, this is crazy.
touch the steering
Oh my
wheel or
gosh.
pedals during your ride.
And it's driving like normally. Like this is like a I would expect a person to drive like this.
But our microphones are
Which is
only
why it's so
on
scary.
when you're connected to rider support. So
One, two, three, release them. I wish it every day.
Good morning. Hey y'all. We're back to our regularly scheduled program. I know that last clip was a little nerve-inducing for y'all, but it was low-key fire and it was so much fun. Like, oh my gosh, skydiving was so much fun. I'm currently on the terrace of my hotel. My room is literally like through that door, like that's connected. Anyway, we're currently in Meridian, Mississippi. We were in Starkville about 2 days ago, or yes, 2 days ago now. And then we had a performance, and then we drove here about an hour and a half, and then we had a performance last night, which was really nice because they actually had they like got school buses so like kids could come, and it was really sold out. Like it was like 700 people, I want to say, and it was really really nice. Well, like the performance as well, but also the audience was really kind, and it was very nice. Yeah. So today we're traveling to Memphis, Tennessee. I've never been in Tennessee, so I'm actually kind of really excited to see Memphis. And, you know, that's like the city. And it's like a 4-hour drive. And then our performance is in Helena, Arkansas, which is actually like an hour and a half away. So, yeah. But just woke up. I think it's like 9:30. We leave at 10. So I just finished packing. I need to do my hair. And then get on the road for 4 hours. And then I also have a rehearsal that I have to do virtually for the piece that I'm premiering in April. So yeah. Yeah, no, tour is going super fire. Like we have, I think, want to say like maybe 5 evening performances left and 2 mini performances left. And you know, tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and today Brent Faiyaz and Jill Scott just released their album, so I'm definitely listening on the bus. And don't play with it. Don't play with it. Yes, I'm definitely listening to albums on the bus. Honestly, I probably will sleep first though. My body feels like got hit by a truck.
And that's how Regina George died.
But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys because I haven't picked you up in a minute. And yeah. So let me go ahead and continue to get ready because I need to like finish. And I need to get my mind together because I'm here. But I'm not here. I'm everywhere. Let me stop playing. Okay, bye y'all. How do you feel?
Can I cuss on your channel?
Yeah, go ahead.
This is fucking incredible. This is my second time ever being here. It gets better with each bite. It's
No,
so good.
that's real. This is my food. It's low-key half eaten because I low-key forgot. But I low-key had a waffle, but let me tell y'all. They ran out of waffle.
I dropped your waffle. Here you go.
Thank you. They ran out of waffle batter at Waffle House.
Are you eating food? Wait, yeah.
So I don't know if I'm gonna get a waffle. But
Wait, ran out of waffle batter?
Wait, those are at Waffle House. So that means I don't know what that means.
Drop it on the iron.
Like a piece.
Oh, okay. Okay, crisis averted. We don't have waffles, so I'm gonna eat now. Hi guys, we're on our very last show. Yes, it's our very last show. We had a mini this morning, which went really well. I just woke up from a nap, so I'm like here, but I'm still collecting. I'm still hungry. My eyes have been so red, guys, and I don't know why. Like, you see how red they are? Grant and I fell asleep with my contacts in, but they don't ever act like this. So I'm like, so I'm super excited. We're in Rockford, Illinois, which is like an hour. What is that? We're in Rockford, Illinois, which is like an hour from art shop. We're in Rockford, Illinois, which is an hour away from Chicago. So yeah, we're gonna do the show tonight, and then we have a mini in the morning, and then go back to the hotel, take a quick shower, and then we head to the airport, and I go back to my bed. I go back to my apartment. I go back to my shower. I go back to my room. I go back to my PC. Yes. Yes. God, yes. We have tech in a few, like a little under 20 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna do that, and then we gonna have a show. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be phenomenal. All in all, honestly, super excited. And I'm still finding it, and I'm still waking up, and I'm just walking around and like wake my body back up before I do tech. But yeah, no. Yeah, let's go ahead and start. Oh, oops. Stop touching me. Also, don't excuse the skin like close up because I was just sweating, so it's like dirty and all things, and I'm touching my face. And I was about to touch my face again. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Bye, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Okay, I know y'all can't see me, but this is Ailey 2 exclusive. I'm with Jada. You can't see Jada either. Oh, here we go. It's Ailey 2 exclusive. We're backstage. Let me tap her so we're gonna run this piece, and I'm gonna show you guys a snippet of the piece. I really need to be back here because the second piece I made, I have not run it since forever. So I will be marking on the sides. But this is the backstage area. Ailey 2 exclusive.